Smith's Diamond Edge Grip Knife and Scissors Sharpener will sharpen straight and serrated kitchen knives, right or left-handed scissors. And this has a groove on the bottom, so you can set this on the edge of a countertop or a table, and as you pull your knife through, it'll prevent you from accidentally cutting the surface. You can also set this flat on the countertop. It has a non-slip bottom. You have a coarse slot and a fine slot. If you have a straight kitchen knife, you'd be using the coarse slot for sharpening and the fine slot for honing the blade. And you can use that fine slot in between uses just like you would a sharpening steel, and it's going to be much easier to use. You'd use the fine slot for sharpening a serrated blade. When you're sharpening a straight knife, you would pull it through the coarse side 4 or 5 times and then pull it through the fine side 4 or 5 times and test it. When you're sharpening scissors, you have one side marked for right-handed scissors and the other side marked for left-handed.